Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Black Shark 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. And to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front, and we can do it by using this button in the right corner at the bottom. So hi again. And now let's go to more settings. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. When we tap on this we get access to it, and now let's move to the left corner. When we tap on this we get access to advanced camera settings, and let's slide down to the general settings. As you can see at the third position here we have the mirror front camera, so when we pick it we can choose between turn it on and off like that. So this is how it works here, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.